All right. Welcome back to this module. In this module, I'll be showing us how to create uh, Facebook. Sorry, how to sell on Facebook Marketplace. All right. So that's what we'll be discussing. How to sell on Facebook Marketplace. Okay. So once you log in to your profile, now if you look at the top bar of your profile after the home button, you see the flag, right? You see this video sign. Then the fourth one is your marketplace. Now this marketplace is where you go and is where you sell your product. Actually, where you list your product for sale. All right. So I'll be showing us how to go about it, how to sell on Facebook Marketplace. Okay. So sorry. If you are watching this video, all right, I'll assume you've watched the previous videos on how to set up your profile, okay, on how to set up your Facebook business page. If you haven't, please pause this video and quickly watch the previous videos, okay. And also, this after creating your business profile, this icon might not show on your home page, so it might take up to, let's say, 7 to 14 days for it to show. All right, it might not show. So, and if you are lucky, maybe by the time you're doing this video, you already have it, okay. But if you don't, just make sure you exercise patience. It will definitely show. All right, so I'm going to click on the icon now while it loads. Okay, maybe still loading. Okay, as the name implies, Facebook Marketplace. We all know what we do in the marketplace. So a market is where you go to sell. So in this video, we'll be showing you how to do that on Facebook. After creating your profile, your business page, the next thing is selling. Alright. So we have to wait for the page to load. Okay. Now, if you click on this marketplace, this is what you see. You see list of items that have been listed on the marketplace. Okay. So assuming I want to buy something, all I need to do is just to click on these images to buy any of them. But that's not what we are here to do. So what we are here to do is to create our own listing. That is to put our own products on the marketplace so that potential buyers, people that want to buy, can see our product. So the next thing we want to do is, after clicking on the marketplace icon at the top, this interface will show up. Then the next thing you want to do is you click on create new listing at the left side of the profile. Create new listing, that's what you click. Okay. Today's network is slow. Alright, so sorry, you have to bear with me. It's slow. Okay. So after selecting create new listing, so next thing you want to do is you want to choose the listing type. Do you just want to create a single item for sale, or you want to create multiple items, or you want to create list vehicle, like sell a car, or you want to sell a house? So for the sake of purpose of this video, we'll be using this item for sale, where you upload just one single item you want to sell. So you click on it. Okay, so after clicking on it, the next thing you want to do is you want to add photos of that product you want to sell on the marketplace. Okay, so for you to do that, you click on add photos and you come to where you can add your photos. Okay, to bring it to this place. Then the next thing you want to do is we are still selling bag. All right, so I'll be using another bag now. Okay, let me use this bag. Open. Still loading. So while it's still loading, I need to quickly fill all this space, which is the title, with brown, no typing. Okay, brown, um, brown handbag. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you want to put the price. Let me put 5,000. The category choose should be under clothing and your bag and luggage. So select bags. Alright. Condition, is it a new one? Is it a used one? So you select new, which means it's a new one. Then brand, you want to put that description. Let's put let's say poor quality leather bag. Okay. The next thing is you want to add tags. Alright, for maybe in case people are searching. So you want to add bag, that's a tag. You want to add another one, handbag, right? So maybe you might want to also add the name of the product. The brand is Prada. You can put Prada bag. Alright, add let's say okay, brown bag. Alright, so let's add brown bag. Add. Okay, that's all. The next thing is you want to choose the location and click on next. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is, so it will automatically list on Facebook Marketplace. But if you want to list it on other places, right? If you want to list it on other place, let's say Nigeria business, I want to list it here. I will select here and click on publish. Okay, so you can list it on groups. Okay, alright. So after listing, the next thing you want to do is wait for Facebook to approve. Okay, they need to approve it for it to go live. This listing is being reviewed, so you are going to review it and approve it before it can show on the marketplace and also on the Facebook group you listed it on. Alright, so that is how to create that's how to list on Facebook Marketplace. Okay, and so the one other thing I want to quickly do is okay, I think that will be all for now. Alright, so let's see our profile. Let's see our profile. Oh, sorry, I was thinking it to show okay, so that's how to go about it. Alright, so let's say I want to also edit my page. Okay, all I need to do is let's see. So you can also copy the link and share it with people. Okay, so that's how to upload images or projects on WhatsApp group. I hope you've learned something today. Okay, what's remaining? Okay, we need to go up cream or pumice to get rid of this Amakan. There's Amakan here already, So we need your black soup and stew, small stew. Alright? Okay. So what am I waiting for? I think I'm waiting for something. Alright. So let me just end it here. That will be all for now. Okay. Um what else? Let's see. I want to go back and complete our page info. Although that's not how to do, right? Something you can just log in and do. Okay, that's where I will stop for now. Thank you very much for watching this particular video on how to create sales and also how to sell to more customers. Okay, how to sell to more customers. So I'll be uh, ending it today here. Okay, so that's that about creating marketplace on Facebook. Okay, I don't know why I really want to go back and look for another short spot. So let me go back to Facebook. I can't really post this. Can't see the what's it called now? Memory card. That's what I'm using. Memory card. Okay, looking forward to end this video right now, but it's not ending. It's not ending. So I'm trying to look for how to pause the video, but it's not showing up. Okay, so I have to wait for it to pop up to show. Let's see. Alright, so it's still loading. While it loads, so it's still loading. It's still loading. Okay, that's not on. Okay, let's go back to our pages. So this is the page we are using, Classic Boutique. So I want to see if we can add other features to this. First is a username. Let's see if we can add. I think you need up to 25 likes or followers on your page before you can enable this actual username. So let's say my username is Classic Boutique, right? Okay, it's still not showing up. Okay, let's see. I think they have requirements for us. So I think something is wrong somewhere. Alright, for you to be able to create a specific username for your page, you need to have at least 25 followers or likes for you to do that. Alright, So I'll say that's all for